Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth and honest reviews of trending and useful products. In today's episode, we're diving into what we believe is the best essential oils aromatherapy set diffuser available right now. The InnoGear Aromatherapy Diffuser with 10 essential oils and a 500 ml capacity. Let's begin with first impressions. Right out of the box, this set feels premium. The packaging is neat, secure, and gift-worthy. Perfect if you're thinking of giving this to someone who loves wellness, spa vibes, or even just a more peaceful home environment. The diffuser itself comes in a warm yellow tone that blends beautifully into any living space, be it a modern home office, a bedroom, or a yoga corner. What immediately stands out is the full set of 10 ml bottles of 100% pure essential oils included with the diffuser. You get a robust variety: peppermint, orange, lavender, tea tree, rosemary, eucalyptus, lemongrass, lemon, clove, and vanilla. That's a diverse palette of scents, giving you the flexibility to set the perfect mood whether you're winding down for the night or needing a refreshing boost in the morning. They're subtle but effective, not too overpowering, just enough to fill your room with a lasting, pleasant aroma. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the diffuser itself. This model features a 500 ml water tank that is incredibly easy to clean. Once filled, it offers extended operation, up to 18 hours on a weaker mist mode, and about 9 to 12 hours on a stronger mist mode. That means it can run comfortably overnight or during a full workday without needing a refill. One of its most impressive features is the 16.5-foot remote control range. You can sit back in bed or relax on the couch and still change misting modes or turn the device on or off with ease. No need to get up or bend over to press buttons. That's a thoughtful touch. Speaking of misting, the diffuser gives you several customization options. You can choose continuous or intermittent misting, as well as between strong and weak intensity levels. There are also timer settings for 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. So whether you're meditating for a short session or want it running as you sleep, you're covered. The upward mist flow is worth highlighting. Thanks to its advanced ultrasonic technology, the mist output is powerful and directed vertically, 3 times more effectively than standard diffusers. That helps it humidify the air more evenly while preventing moisture from settling on nearby furniture or surfaces. It's efficient and safe, with an automatic shut-off feature for when the water runs out, so you never have to worry about it overheating. Material-wise, it's made from high-quality polypropylene, giving it durability while still being lightweight and portable. To sum it all up, the InnoGear Aromatherapy Diffuser and 10 Essential Oils set is more than just a diffuser, it's a complete aromatherapy solution. Whether you're buying for yourself or gifting someone else, you're getting high value with this set. A stylish, versatile, and functional humidifier that enhances your space, uplifts your mood, and supports your well-being. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new product deep dive. Got a product you want us to review next? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.